Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at catenative verbs. So let's begin. The word catenative comes from the Latin catena, meaning chain. Catenative verbs combine with other verbs and can form a chain of 2 or 3 or more verbs. A main verb, for example, lexical verb, not auxiliary or modal, that can be followed by another main verb is known as a catenative verb. In the following examples, the verbs want and like are catenative. I want to eat. I want to eat. I like eating. I like eating. The verb following a catenative verb can be in one of the following forms: infinitive, eat, to eat. Infinitive, eat, to eat. ing, eating. ing, eating. Past participle, eaten. Past participle, eaten. Options for basic catenative construction are shown in the table below. Construction: catenative verb, second verb. We have here verb, infinitive, bear, catenative verb, let, second verb, go. Infinitive, to. I want to play. ing, he hates drinking. Past participle, he got paid. Verb plus infinitive. Bare infinitive. A very small number of catenative verbs may be followed by the bare infinitive. Mostly hear, say or tell, help, let, go, make, do. I hear say that she retired. I hear say that she retired. Could you help wash up, please? Could you help wash up, please? Don't let go of my hand. Don't let go of my hand. To infinitive. A large number of catenative verbs may be followed by the to infinitive, including these common ones: afford, agree, aim, appear to, apply, arrange, ask, beg, care, chose, claim, condescend, consent, contract, contrive, dare, decide, decline, demand, deserve, determine, endeavor, expect, fail, happen to, help, hesitate, hope, long, manage, mean, offer, prepare, pretend, promise, refuse, resolved, seek, seem to, strive, struggle, swear, threaten, undertake, volunteer, want, wish. We didn't agree to work late. We didn't agree to work late. They seem to like it. They seem to like it. I want to play football. I want to play football. Verb plus to infinitive or ing. A few catanetive verbs can be followed by the to infinitive or ing. With or without a change in meaning. With little or no change in meaning. Can't bear, begin, bother, cease, continue, hate, intend, like, love, neglect, prefer, start. Did you bother to report it? Did you bother reporting it? Did you bother to report it? Or did you bother reporting it? I love to swim in the sea. I love to swim in the sea. I love swimming in the sea. I love swimming in the sea. It started to rain. It started to rain. It started raining. It started raining. With significant change in meaning. Come, go on, need, regret, remember, propose, try. She came to understand the problem. Gradual realization is not equal to she came swimming in the sea. Sporting activity. I remembered to lock it. I didn't forget to do it. Is not equal to I remember locking it. I have a memory of doing it. I have tried to lose weight, but can't attempted. Is not equal to did you try eating fruit? Experiment with. Verb plus past participle. One or two verbs can be followed by the past participle. In particular, get, get lost, get lost. He got paid, he got paid. It's hard to get started. It's hard to get started. So, that's all for this video about catanetive verbs. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing to English Tutor Hub official channel for more content like this. Bye and see you next time.